8.4. Angles of elevation and depression. Number 1. Describe the angle as it relates to the situation in the diagram. So angle 8. So angle 8 is looking downwards. Downwards is the angle of depression. So we're going to say it's the angle of depression from the top of the waterfall to the tally. You're looking down. And that's number 1. Number 2. An aerial photograph is taken of a building. The photograph is made when the angle of elevation of the sun is 27 degrees. The shadow is determined to be 80 feet long. How tall is the building? So drawing this out, here's the building. Angle of elevation is looking upward, and they are 80 feet away from the base of the building. So remember SOHCAHTOA. So circling our angle, we're going to draw an arrow across, so that's going to be opposite. Adjacent is going to be next to, and this is going to be the hypotenuse because the building is perpendicular with the ground. It's 90 degrees. So now, since we have 80 feet, which is A, and we're looking for Y, which is O and A is tangent. So tangent of 27 equals Y over 80. So multiply both sides by 80. You have 80 tangent of 27. Remember to multiply this in degrees. And you have Y equals 41. So let's type that in. And notice that we rounded to the nearest whole number. So 41 is number 2. Number 3, find the value of X. So this is parallel with this. And these two are alternate interior angles. So that means this is also 39. Now setting up the triangle. This is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So we are looking for opposite, X, and we're given the hypotenuse, so O and H is sine. So sine of 39 equals X over 470. Multiply both sides by 470, and then we multiply together, remember in degrees, and we get approximately 295.8. So let's type it in. So 295.8. That's number 3. Number 4. A helicopter hovers 1,300 feet above a small island. The figure shows that the angle of depression from the helicopter to point P is 42 degrees. How far off the coast to the nearest foot is the island? So let's take a look at it. So because this is parallel to the ground, angle P will be 42. Setting up our triangle from there. This is opposite. Adjacent is D, and the hypotenuse is H. So we're looking for D, which is A, and we're given O, so O and A is tangent. So we write tangent of 42 equals 1,300 divided by X. To solve for X, you divide 1,300 by tangent of 42 in degrees, and you'll get approximately 1,444 feet. So let's type that in. I type in 1,444 feet. So that's number 4.